Realme all set to launch new smartphone Realme 12 Plus 5G in India on March 6. Realme also confirmed that the Realme 12 Plus 5G will feature the Sony LYT 650 megapixel camera with OIS and have 2x in-sensor zoom, 8 megapixel ultra-wide and 2 megapixel macro, and 16 megapixel selfie camera. Realme 12 Plus come with a 6.7-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED screen. The smartphone will come with a Dimensity 75 SoC, with LPDDR4 Rex RAM plus UFS 2.2, and it's going to launch Android 14 out of the box with Realme UI 5.0 on top. It is pack a 5000 mAh battery with 67W wired charging support. It's also have dual speaker 3.5mm jack, micro SD slot, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2. The Realme 12 Plus 5G will be unveiled in Malaysia on February 29, so we'll know all about its specs and features before its India launch. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.